Hello everyone, I am Greg Fisher, the Director of Programming for Tri-County Health Network. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and show you very quickly and easily how you can update your account on Connect for Health Colorado so you can lower your premiums for the rest of the 2021 plan year. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen and step you through the process. Alright, once you get to the connectforhealthco.com website up here, you'll be at the main screen. Very simple. You'll just click the login button, which will take you to the login screen. As soon as you log in, you'll be prompted to see what you have when you completed your enrollment, which will be the main welcome page that will have in the very middle here your plan information of your carrier, the plan that you selected, as well as your premiums and APTC amounts. So Connect for Health made this very easy for us to do to update our premiums with the American Rescue Plan. At the very top, they added this yellow banner that says Start Here. You're going to go ahead, click that button. On the very next screen, you're going to be prompted with these 3 questions. Now, if you're just here and you're just updating your account information, that you have not experienced any change in employment whatsoever, all you're going to do is you're going to select none of these apply. Now, of course, obviously, if you lost your job, you received unemployment at any point during 2021, you very much want to follow this first bullet here because of the $0 premiums that you will then qualify for. However, let's just say everything, you still have your job. We're going to go ahead and continue. The next screen here will load. The next screen you'll see will review the application material you had previously submitted. Will include everyone that you have on the policy as well as your household financials. At the bottom, they got the button here to select if you want to change any information or the hit no. Go ahead and select yes at this screen. And then hit continue. On the next screen, we're going to go ahead. We don't need any assistance with guiding. That's what I'm here helping you with. Go ahead and hit no, and then we're going to hit continue. And then we'll go ahead and continue with the application from here. Now, there's no life change event that occurs for this whatsoever, so you're just going to select none of these, then hit continue. At this screen, we want to go ahead. Some of you might see a few different things. So if you see just this and nothing pops up, what you want to do is hit Find an Assister, and then select Search. You don't have to fill in any of this right now. What you're going to type in here for Assister ID is going to be TCH-WPL. Just like that, and as soon as you got that in, you can select Authorize. And then it will say that Tri-County has been authorized here, and then you're going to go back to Eligibility. You'll come back to this main screen where we just were, and now everyone should see the same thing. So if Tri-County had previously assisted you during open enrollment or in some previous year, you probably will actually already see us already listed. If you just entered it, it's now going to show up this way. I have seen one weird thing that I just want to make sure everyone's aware of. Sometimes when you get to the screen, this continue button does not show up. I'm not quite sure why. I think it's a tech glitch. If that happens, go ahead, click back. It's going to go back one screen. Go ahead, just select none of these again, and then continue. So when it comes back to this screen, when I've tried this in the past, that continue button then has showed up. So go ahead, click continue, and we'll bring you forward so we can finish the process. From here, this is where the process becomes very easy. Obviously, your name, your date of birth, none of this is really changing. So you're going to go down to the bottom, and you're going to go ahead and select continue. On this page, the most important thing to do is just make sure that your residential address and your mailing address are still accurate. They need to be updated. Obviously, go ahead and do that. All these other areas that you've already submitted prior are not going to change. So when that's done, go ahead, hit continue. Same thing here, citizenship, immigration status, that's not going to change either. Go ahead, select continue. The next page that will show up will just be the family overview that will have some financial information. For most of you, you probably don't need to touch this whatsoever. However, perhaps you had a new job, you had a switch in your hours. It would be a really good idea here to go ahead and update this information. So you'd hit that little plus next to the name, and then over here you can select edit to do so. However, for this scenario, let's just say income has stayed the same. We're going to go ahead and continue. So life change events, you can obviously include these if you've had anything significant that has happened, but you don't need any of these in order to proceed. That you can just select none of these apply to my household, then go ahead and hit continue. And then we're almost here at the very last page. This is the declarations and signatures. This is no different than what you saw when you first enrolled during regular open enrollment in November, December, and January. So all you need to do is just go down to the bottom, go ahead, put in your electronic signature, and when that's done, you'll go ahead and hit continue as well. This page coming up here might take a minute or two to load as it goes through the process of evaluating what income credits you're going to be eligible for, so just be patient and wait. And then the final page you're going to see is going to be this current application page. So the main thing to focus on is going to be down here at the total savings. This is going to be the number that is going to be updated due to the American Rescue Plan that is going to save you money. So whatever you had previously submitted, this amount is very likely to go up. And in the case of this individual, they're saving an additional $100, perhaps even $200 on what their premium had been previously. So right below here is this view results and shop. You do not need to do anything. This is it. You are done. You have finished everything that you need. If you wanted to go look at other plans, you can certainly continue, but just to update your account and get those increased tax benefits, this is the last page that you need to reach. That moving forward, your premiums are going to be reduced. You're going to be paying less money out of pocket to maintain your health insurance. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Within about 4, maybe 5 minutes, we can quickly go through, update your account information to make sure it's accurate, and your new premiums are going to be lowered, and you're going to be paying less money out of pocket for the rest of 2021 thanks to the American Rescue Plan. And please remember, Tri-County Health Network is always here to help with your general health and wellness needs. Should you need more information or additional assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at 970-708-7096 or email us at info@tchnetwork.org. You can also visit our website where we have an entire page on insurance assistance, and that includes at the very bottom all the contact information for your local health coverage guide who will be there to assist you with any needs that you may have related to your insurance coverage. Please feel free to reach out. This is what we're here to do to make sure that your needs are met. Thank you so much.